Alright, so I've got a normal deck of cards here, right? Shuffle them up. Okay, so you have a spectator, pick a card. So pick a card, any card. Alright. Then, put your card anywhere you'd like in the deck. Okay. Split the deck. I'm just gonna shuffle it around so your card, so you know your card is mixed in randomly in there, okay? Pick another card and remember them both, alright? Put your card on the top of the deck here. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to flip the top card. Was this your card? Yeah, it was. Alright, well since your card is right here at the top of the deck, I'm going to slide it over here. You're just going to keep holding on to your card, okay? Now, just tell me, what was your other card? Was the Jack of Spades? Alright. Hold on, let me find the Jack of Spades. Shake the deck. Alright, so your other card was the Jack of Spades. Right here is your other card. Alright. So, now flip over which one you think the Jack of Spades is. You're wrong, it's the Queen of Diamonds. That is the Jack of Spades. Cards have just switched places.